Did you know that you can buy replacement lens blanks for sunglasses? Here's a pair of scope safety glasses that I really like, but over the years the lenses got more and more beat up. What I'm going to do today is show you how to cut out a replacement lens and fit it into almost any pair of frames. Step one is to go ahead and cover up the replacement lens in masking tape. We want to make sure that we don't leave any scratches on our shiny new lenses. Then you want to pop the lens out of your old frames and trace around it onto the masking tape. Make sure you push it down so that it sits well, because the curve might not quite match. Now there's a lot of ways you can cut these out. You could use a Dremel, you could use a bandsaw, jigsaw. I like to just use a pair of scissors. Now do be careful because the polycarbonate is quite brittle. But basically you can cut it with the scissors. I like to cut a really rough outline, leaving a lot of space, and then I go back around one more time to cut it more precisely. That's looking pretty close, pretty close. So now what I'm going to do is go ahead and hold these two together and use a little bit of sandpaper on a sanding block, and we're going to go around the outside and we're going to just clean up that last half a millimeter and get it exactly where we need it to be. Now we are super close. Going to go ahead and try a quick test fit. I think it might still be a little oversized, but it's getting there. Yeah, slightly too big. Got to take a little more off the corners there. We should be good to go. So close. Here we are at the 15-minute mark. We've been sanding for about 15 minutes. Oh yeah. Look at that. It fits. Now we just got to pop it out one last time, take the masking tape off, and we'll be good to go. Look at that shiny, clean new lens. Now we just got to try and put it in with as few fingerprints as possible. It's generally easiest to put this corner in first, and then you kind of work your way around from there, and then usually the bottom last. And boom, look at that. Check out how nasty these old lenses were. They're totally beat to death. And check out these shiny new ones. There's my face, and there's my face with some shiny new sunglasses. Thanks for watching. Bye.